Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're live. Sorry, running a couple minutes behind. Market just opened up. All right, hope that looks good. Bam, bam, bam. You can see me. Share our screen. Boom. All right, market just opened. We're going to wait for the first 15-minute opening range. Let's pull up the 2-minute chart here. Boom. We got a pivot point down here at the 749s and another pivot up here at the 985s. Pulling up the 5-minute chart. And the 15-minute chart. Sorry, now you can hear me. Oops, there we go. Didn't have my microphone. Now you can hear me. That's a 15-minute. This is supposed to be the hourly. There's the hourly. And here's the ES. All right, so let's see where we're at compared to yesterday. So we're kind of right in the middle of yesterday's 15-minute opening range. Market just kind of went sideways since yesterday's close. Yesterday we closed at the 823, so we already kind of got that gap fill so far. So now we're just sitting back waiting. We got first we got another 11.5 minutes in the opening range, and we got some news coming out at 8:45 Central Time and some more at 9 o'clock. All right, good morning. It's Friday. Market's been open for 5 minutes now. Where the heart is. Yeah. Got a little bit of news coming out in 8 minutes. See how the market reacts to that. Bam. Just pivot at the 750s and a pivot at the 984s. 750 and 984.5. Yesterday's high at 905. We just broke through a pre-market high. Just sitting back, being patient. Being patient. Patience pays, baby. Patience pays. Oh, yes. Oops. Looking at the hourly chart, kind of like it's trying to work its way back up after that big dip last Thursday and Friday. Putting in higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Maybe we'll put a higher high in. We got a 21,090 pivot on the hourly. See if we can get up to this 20,985 pivot first. Nothing wrong with waiting until 9 o'clock Central Time for that hourly candle to close, and then that news to come out. These 8 a.m. candles have been, this one was bullish, but these two were bearish. Another 20 minutes left. So it wants to go higher. That's what it looks like. Looks like it wants to go higher. But we're just going to sit back and wait. EMA still looking kind of flat. Yeah, no. Looks like it wants to go. Like right here. Looks like it wants to go, but you never know. 3 minutes left in the opening range. Today's low down there at the 27.75. The 27.75. Pushing up to the 857s into the 50s. Got that news coming out in a minute and a half. Minute and a half news. All right, there's our 15 minutes. I want to see a bear flag above this. Or, a bull flag above this. Oh, there you go. Said that news hit too. I want to see a bull flag maybe above this. Like a little bit of a pullback, kind of up, down, up. I don't know if I get long right there. I'm gonna wait, be patient. We got some more news coming out in 13 and a half minutes. Michigan consumer sentiment. Still at no trades, just kind of waiting, sitting back, watching the waves. So far, the market looks like it's pushing up. It's bullish, so we're looking for longs. Obviously, if the market's going up, we're not looking for shorts. The market is going up. We want to see it continue up. So no reason to be getting short. But it's like, do we want to get long right at the top of the range? We're kind of extended off the 21 EMA. I don't know. I don't think so. I want to kind of wait. I want to see it kind of go above it, do a nice pullback, and then continue maybe. It's kind of bull flagging up here. But I want to see it close outside of the 15-minute. Right now, we're just wicking up here. Wick, wick, wick. And then we got this pivot point up here at the 985s. Just kind of waiting. Still no trades. No trades. Thank you. It's just kind of like slowly getting up there. I want to see like a, let me see something like this, like, and then a dip, and then a rip. That's kind of what I'm looking for. There we go, getting the push up. See if we can get a bull flag here. Oops. Yesterday's high at the 905s. We got some more news coming out in 11 minutes too. 11 minutes. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to get long right there. Pulling back into the range. See? That's why I didn't want to do it yet. Why I wanted to wait. Might get a pull back right into that 21 EMA again, which is at the 817s. I don't know. Just created a bullish fair value gap right here. Maybe rip back up. I don't know. I don't want to get stuck or trapped in here now. Whoa. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Dipping down. Oh, no. Back to VWAP. VWAP at 791. That was a big dip down. Big dip down from the 870s down to the 790s. It was a 70-point rip. Good Lord. Still a higher low, though, compared to these lows right here after market open. Just ripping back up. She's a track star. She's a runner. She's moving. Good Lord. Big old dumpy dump. Well, we got another pivot point down here, the 749s. See if we continue to use VWAP as support. I don't want to be waiting in line. I got so many things that I could do with my time. I don't want to feel this confined. The city life, the city life, the city life. I can't afford this feeling. Another siren sounds. See if we can get below VWAP. VWAP right here. 791s. In fact, I might go. It's kind of a little choppy right now. News coming out in 7 minutes. I don't know if that's going to do anything though. Sounds good to me. Fridays can be tricky too. It's Friday, you know. Fridays sometimes in the morning can be a little fucking, a little tricky. So you got to be careful with Fridays. I have had really good Fridays, really bad Fridays, really good Friday afternoons, but we're not trading in the afternoon. So even if today's a day where we just sit back for an hour, don't see any setups, don't take any trades, I'm okay with that. And next week's another new week. Have a good weekend. Monday, come back again. But I'm not getting stuck in this chop right here in the middle of this range right here and taking a trade and losing money. So sometimes not losing money, well, all the time not losing money is better than losing money. So, you know, even if you end the day at zero, that's better than ending the day in the red. Right now, Nasdaq using VWAP as support. We still haven't closed below it. We kind of wicked and touched on it right there at the 791s, right in the middle of the opening 15-minute range right now, below the 21 EMA. Market just put in a bearish fair value gap with a 70-point drop. We tried to push above the 15-minute range. We just got rejected at the top. Wick, 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 wick. We never got any of these bodies of these candles to close above the 15-minute range. So we're just sitting back and waiting. The market's just going sideways right now, kind of. I mean, it looked kind of bullish, but now we're kind of flattening out. You know, now we're kind of, this 21 EMA right here just started dipping down a little bit. So the bulls and the bears are fighting it out, and we're going to wait until we know who wins before we place a trade. Until the market, the cool thing about trading is all you have to do is watch and wait and react. You don't have to, it's not about taking action and forcing it and doing anything. It's about waiting for it to show you. That's all we have to do. We don't have to try to predict the future. I know it's called futures trading, but we don't predict the future. If I could predict the future, I would have been a lot richer by now. What we do is we just react to what it's doing, and then there's probabilities that it's going to do what we think it's going to do based off of what it's doing. That's all it is. So when it's chopping like this sideways, my strategy says to not do anything. You just sit here. Just because the market is open doesn't mean you have to trade. So the market's open doesn't mean you have to place a trade, though. Doesn't mean you have to sit here and start entering trades. You know, you can be really picky, really picky about what you're looking for. And that's all you got to do. That's all you got to do. Sometimes you just got to sit back and watch, relax, and enjoy the show. 4 minutes left until we have this news coming out. 3.5 minutes. I don't know. This might not do anything to the market too. It might, but I still just kind of like to be patient and wait. And then we got that hourly candle closing at the same time, so maybe then we'll see some better movement here. Looking at the 1 minute chart, pushing back up above the 21 EMA again. See where this candle closes in 3 seconds. There we go. Honestly, if it gets above this wick, probably going to keep going up a little bit here. Try a little long. And our stop would be like here. Take some partials off here. Try here. See if we can get this continuation. Just grab like a quick scalp, quick 10 points here. Nothing too crazy. All right. I didn't really like that trade, so we were in and out 10 micros. Then it continued to push, just grabbing $50 real quick. Like, honestly, I was trying to just grab 10 points, but I didn't like that this candle didn't really have a good body. And then it continued above. We were still in the middle of the 15-minute range here. So, honestly, that wasn't even really part of the strategy. We should have been a little bit more patient. But, hey, we grabbed... should have waited. Should have held that a little bit longer because now it's pushing up. As soon as we got this big bullish candle right here and then the price pushed up above this wick, we jumped in long. We got in at the 839s. The market pushed up to, 10 points. We could have grabbed 10 points. It would have been $200. But now we just got to sit back and be patient for another entry. Just putting a little bit of green on the board there. Just getting our toes wet, but we're still inside the 15-minute range. So I should have held that for a little bit longer, but it is what it is. Come on, $50 scalp. If I had bigger balls, I would have held onto that trade a little bit longer. That was the quickest trade in the world. It was like less than 5 seconds. That doesn't really count. But whatever. We didn't lose money. Basically, and the idea behind that trade and why I took it was we got above the 21 again. The market's looking bullish because we're putting in higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And then we closed above 21 EMA with a nice bullish candle. The price got above that wick again. We got in, but we could have rode that a little bit longer, obviously. I knew I wasn't looking for a lot of points there just because we were still in the 15-minute opening range, but I should have grabbed more than 1.5 points. Like, what the hell is that? That was just enough to cover the fees, basically. But 839, the market pushed up to the 57s. So we could have grabbed like 15 points. I should have at least grabbed 10 points. That would have been $200. So now the market's pushing back down to the 21 EMA. Really choppy. So I would have rather grabbed $200 there. It is what it is. We're going to be patient and wait. Plus, the news was coming out right there too. The news came out right here, which dropped the market back down to the 21 EMA, but could have rode that up a little bit better into the news. Maybe moved our stop and just started trailing. It is what it is. But yeah, this is some chop right here. Boom, boom. You know, I don't know. Putting in a lower high right here now. Still struggling to get outside of the 15-minute opening range. So yeah, putting in a lower high now. I don't know. Just gotta sit back and watch. But it counts as a trading day. We placed a trade because we have to have 8 trading days with Apex to get a payout. I'm like getting red after that. That was kind of a silly trade a little bit. I could have held that a little bit longer. I mean, grabbed $200 there, just 10 points. Should have at least targeted 10 points. I shouldn't take a trade and only take less than 10 points. It should be a minimum. We had our first stops, or our first take profit, like right here. And once we got in the green, I just closed out manually. I should have had the balls to hold that a little bit longer, or at least a minute. You know, I don't know. Let's see. How long was that trade? What the heck? 1 minute and 1 second. Well, could have held another like 30 seconds or so. It is what it is. It is what it is. Would have been, our count would have been over 50,000 again. Yeah, market's just chopping around. Usually we get some good opportunities between 9 and 10 Central Time, so we'll give it another 57 minutes. Try to look for one really good setup, take maybe one more trade, and then call it a day. That's it. 2 to 3 trades a day. Market real choppy though. We got yesterday's high up there at the 905s. Let's take a little walk. Get the blood flowing. Take a little walk after that. Woo! Let's go. This one is a good voice right here. I still gotta make my money. This world keeps knocking you down. Let them know no one can push you around. You're not breathing the other man. Feels like you never see the sun again. Timing on this world keeps knocking you down. Still in that 15-minute range. Remember, then I'll be your oxygen. I'll be your oxygen. Market's still going sideways, so we ain't doing shit. We ain't doing shit with this chop, man. You get chopped up. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Market's just going freaking sideways. We need to see it. We need to see it do this. Right? We need to see it do that. Or we need to see it do that. None of this sideways shit, though. You know what I'm saying? You need to see what's going on here. That's it. That's it. You give me some freaking food. Watch me multitask, dude. I can fucking make eggs and trade the Nasdaq at the same time. Watch. Watch. Watch me. Watch me cook breakfast and trade the Nasdaq at the same time, dude. At the same time. How do you guys want your eggs? Sunny side up? Scrambled? What do you want? How you want them? Tell me how you want it. Tell me how you want it. You want me to scramble them for you? You want me to scramble your eggs? I'll scramble those eggs over here. I mean, in theory, it looks like we could just probably get along here. Because it's been here on up down, right? So that's not what I can say. That's not snowflake. That's not snowflake. Let me go lay down, boy. Who set the world on fire? Who set the world on fire? It was me who set the world on fire. Could have caught like a little bit of a better, maybe trade there, but that was risky. Now we put in a lower high. It's like, all right, we put in a lower high, and then the started closing below the 21 EMA, and then it's almost like this was like a bear flag right here, kinda. But there's no. Whoa, there we go, coming back down, maybe outside the 15-minute range. Woo! There she goes. There she goes. Dumpy dump. Well, could have entered for a short there. We kind of missed that, but market was putting in higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, and then it pushed down, and then it kind of pulled back up to the 21 EMA, created this bear flag on the 1 minute, and it's like, man, if you would have got short at this like 97 break, it pushed all the way down to the 50s. There was a 40-point move right here. Could have grabbed that for some shorts. Now we just got to be patient and wait. It came all the way down exactly to that pivot. Exactly to that 750 pivot. So we're still at only one trade, but that would have been a good trade to catch. I got a little cocky and walked away and started making breakfast. And kind of missed it. When you miss it, you can't get in afterwards. The wave already came. So it's all good. It's all good, but that was kind of especially once we like broke below this area, like this 91 area. See if we can get another pushing down now. We got another pivot all the way down there at the 593s. Pre-market low is 693.
Kind of
bear flagging on if we break below 750 area. Kind of bear flagging a little bit. If we get below the 750 area, we might dumpy dump. Coming back down. If we got in at 750, stop would be at 65, 70. All right, we got that pivot right there though, so I don't know. Until that pivot's kind of acting as support right now. And if we start getting back above the halfway point in this range, the bulls might take control like 8/16s.
You gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. Be careful.
Pivot is like 750. It's kind of building a flag right now. Sort of kind of. Right. Bears are in control now, so we'd definitely be looking for shorts. We would definitely be looking for the shorts. I don't know, kind of. There's that pivot point right there, though. I don't know if I want to short right there. I want to see it close below that, and then we got all this. I want to be more picky. More picky. Like, because I could be wrong. It could just fucking shoot straight down. But I want to see it like go like this, and then maybe like that. Because we got this pivot right here that's acting as support, and I don't know. It's just kind of weird. It's kind of flagging though. It's very flagging. Staying below VWAP, below the 21 EMA. We got the bottom of the range here, but then we got this pivot right here. This orange line you gotta get through. And then we got this like choppy area here in the morning. I don't know. Is it a trap? It looks like a trap. It looks kind of trappy. You know, I'm not falling for the trap. Is it a fucking trap? That's what trading's about too. You gotta look for the traps and don't get trapped. And if you're wrong, whatever, you missed it. No big deal. There will be more opportunities, but do you want to fall for the trap? It looks like it's bear flag in here, but fuck. I don't know. Drop, base. Drop. I mean, this was a good one, I guess, right here. But in this Friday, man. Friday. Guess you could have drawn like once you broke below VWAP here, you could have shorted this, I guess. Entered at 908 with the 790s. Right here. I mean, this would have been a good entry for a short right here, I guess. Somewhere in this area to just you know. Respecting that line pretty good. I just don't like the idea of getting short. Yeah, this is just something is getting tight. Something's about to happen. People fucking got long here, thinking this was the bottom. It wants to dump. 30 seconds left in this candle. What's a 5-minute look like? You know? Okay. Just that fucking pivot, man. And then this shit. Otherwise, the next area of support would be like, we're down here, the 697s. 15-minute candle, fucking bearish. This one. like kind of wedge in here. No, I don't like it. I don't know. It's just trappy. Trappy. I don't know. I was gonna get in there. 749. Still got that fucking pivot there at 749. So it's trying to go. Ooh. Oh no. Damn. Well, that's it. We just took a huge $700 loss. A big fat loss. We literally shorted at the exact bottom right there. Good Lord. That's why I didn't want to get, I literally was talking and saying I didn't want to short here because of this pivot, and then I did it anyway. Didn't stick to what I said I wanted to do. And we risked a lot of points on that. It was 10 micros. Fucking hell, bro. Dang. That hurts. 36 points. We usually never risk that much. 36.75. Ouch. Ouch. That hurt. That fucking hurt, man. That hurt. We got in late. It already pushed, and then it just ripped right back up. 735. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ouch. That fucking hurt. We literally shorted at the exact bottom. Exact bottom. And then it ripped right back up. That's hilarious. Man. All live on YouTube right there. I mean, if you were going to get this breakout, should have got short, like, get short above the pip, man. Yeah, that was a trap. We fell for the trap. I literally said it looks trappy. Don't fall for the trap. And then I fell for the trap. So, damn. We fell for the trap. Good Lord. We fell for the trap. Holy shit.
I've damaged Rip's brand now. Catch Wheeling is damaging Rip's brand. Oh no. Oh god. Everybody. Oh no. Oh no.
That's almost like 2 losses in 1 though. Like, so I think I need to just shut it down. We fell for the trap. Now it's pushing down, but we saw this big push. We're like, oh, it's going to continue. Really, your entry should have been in here, but we should have not traded at all, honestly, because I said it's a trap, and then I fell for it. Fell for the trap that I identified. That's fucked up. Usually you fall for a trap because you don't even see it, but I even called it out and then did it anyway. Not too smart. Not too smart there.
Hey, look, it's right back again.
You know? Right back to where we were just at.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Look at,
what the fuck?
look at that. We ain't getting in now, though.
It goes up, it goes down. Gucci ain't no fuck. I got no idea. Oh my god.
Woo. Fell for the trap.
How is it ransoming? How, guys, I mean, how am I ransoming? He never owned the domain. Explain to me how I'm ransoming it. I paid $2,500 from a public website that sells domains. I paid $2,500 for the domain. And now Rips is suing me. I never told him that he had to buy it from me. I never forced anything. So how am I ransoming?
And you never move your stop. I kept moving my stop thinking, oh, no, it's going to come back down.
You know?
You don't ever do that. We shouldn't have risked more than 20 points on that.
How is he? I did not buy the. Think about it. I didn't buy.
And we risked 36.
And then
So.
message him and tell him that I would sell it to him if he wants it. Right? I never did that. The only reason that I offered to sell it to him is because his attorneys are now threatening to create a lawsuit because I own the domain. So. I'm not ransoming. How am I ransoming? I don't get it. I don't get it. So whatever. I got a phone call with a top copyright attorney later on today, so I'm not worried. I'll talk to an actual attorney and not the fucking people in the chat. So. Welcome to America. Remember when Google had to buy their domain? You remember that? So, I don't know. Whatever. We'll see. Hey, the best part is we can go to court and a judge can decide and it's all good. If I lose, well, just some fun tokens that I had to spend to just, I don't know, be fun, I guess. Go to court. All right. I got to go either way. I'm going to go. I'll see you guys next week. And, yeah. I'm not worried about it.
Oh yeah, if you're just watching now, we just took a fat loss right here. I got in exactly at the bottom. Market ripped below this line, and I fell for the trap. I fell for the trap that I said not to fall for. So if you rewind the tape, we talked about it kind of looking a little trappy here. We're kind of bear flagging again, though, right now below this pivot. If we can get, we got to stay below the 746s. Get this like 740 break. Start ripping down here. Staying below the 21 EMA so far. Kind of bear flagging again. This is the one we should have waited for. We got this pivot at the 749s. See if the here. See how this candle closes. See where this candle closes in 9 seconds. Get this continuation to the downside. Stop would be like right around there. 15-point stop. Yeah, I don't like this. What's going on here? What the fuck? Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Honestly, we should probably be done, because that one losing trade was like 2 losses in one because we risked way more points than we should have. We literally sold exactly at the bottom. Like, it couldn't have been any more perfect. Perfectly wrong to sell right here at 42. Market pushed down to 41. And then we got our faces ripped off right here. Can you tell my face is literally red? Holy shit. And now I don't know what it's doing. It's not breaking out here. So we got to get like below this 44 area. But we should just be done. We're trying to win back what we just lost, and you can't do that. Shit. Well, now it's pushing back up into there. What the fuck? Huh. I think we should just be done for the day. Should just be done for the day. Not dig ourselves deeper. Not dig ourselves deeper. Fuck. Well, that's trading, guys. That's how it goes sometimes. This push happened so fast, and when it was down here, I just shorted like an idiot. Down here, FOMO'd into it. Fear of missing out. That was a FOMO trade. If you were going to get in, you would have got in like up here. You know. Could have grabbed 20 points real quick if you just got in and out real quick. Instead, we got in down here. Now it's pushing back up. High or low. You can get above. Fuck. That's crazy, dude. It is what it is. 857. And now it's like you want to keep fucking trading though because you want to win back the losses that you just had. But you can't think that way. 775. $8.16. Somebody say, what's the stage? I just want to play. It's like once we start pushing back above that area, and the bulls might be in control again. We got that VWAP break. VWAP was at 790 right here, and ripped right past it. Now we're coming back up. Fucking hell, man. Shit. It's like once that closed, then we pushed above. But do you want to get long right below VWAP? No. Good old Friday. With the 5-minute chart, and at the 15-minute chart, looking at the hourly. Looks like it wants to go higher now. Start ramping up. This wick pretty big on the hourly. We got 20 minutes left. So I don't want to get long up here either. I want to pull back now. Shit. Oh. Damn, dude. Shit. Damn. Fucking hell, man. What a fucking a bunch of bullshit. It's not really bullshit. You didn't stick to the plan. I knew that was a trap right here. This is pivot. And it ripped right back up to the 21 EMA just to come down again. Fucked a lot of people up right there. All right, we're in another trade. One last trade. I'm gonna move our stop to. All right, we just got taken out at break even. Made fucking $15 on that. Fucking hell. All right, now we got to be fucking done. Now we're just done for the day. That doesn't even fucking count as a win. $15 because I moved my stop too fast. What the fuck? Shit, man. Whatever. Now we're definitely fucking done for the day. Logging out. $701 loss. No bueno. No bueno. Ugh. And it's like, I'm not even surprised why we lost or wondering why we lost. We lost because I didn't fucking stick to what I said I was going to do, which was to not get trapped here. And then I did. You know? Usually once we get above this point, we can kind of continue back up. Now the bulls are in control. Moved our stop too early on that, and then moved our stop too early on the first one too. Fucking hell. Just for it to continue up. Oh my god. Fuck. Shit. It just wants to magnify and maintain my emotions. Because look, it's ripping up. I bought here and then moved my stop too quick. Got stopped out just for it to continue to push. We got long at 827 and now the market's at 850. Over 20 points. Oh my god, dude. Fucking hell. Well, that's it. We're not going to keep fucking disobeying our discipline, which is 2 to 3 trades. We took 3. So we're done for the day. I will see y'all on Monday. God bless. Peace out. Have a great weekend. See ya.